I have known him since 20 years. I have worked here for June 2014. Do either of these sentences make sense? Well, today we're going to be answering the age-old question and figuring out when to use the words for and since in English. Let's get started. Hi everyone, my name is Kristen and welcome to Koala Hugs. If you're looking for help with learning French, English, tips on language learning in general, or just an all-around good time, then be sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. As for my English videos, they are on a range of topics from beginner to advanced, so know that no matter what your level is, you are welcome here to our little community. Alright, now the words for and since. For is used with quantities of time. It gives the duration of something and answers the question, how long? And it answers this question with numbers, a quantity, an amount, or a period of time. So months, days, weeks, seasons, years, minutes, seconds, cycles of the moon, millennia, really anything you use to keep track of time. There are a few more expressions that we can use with the word for. Ones like a while, a long time, for my entire life, and ever, because we say forever, like I've been waiting in line forever. The word since is used with the name of a time. For uses quantities of time, since uses the name of a time. It tells you when something began and it answers the question, how long? And yes, both for and since answer the same question. Sorry about that. The word since is used with dates or to talk about when something started. It focuses on giving details about when an action first began. We use since with the start of the school year, 2016, last summer, Monday, I was born, you started working here, 5:37 p.m., the last war, she left town, April 13th, 2007, really anything. Honestly, that's all there is to it for these two words, so let's try some. I'm going to put some sentences up on the screen, and then you can pause it if you want and see if you can figure out whether you need to use the word for or since. Ready? Cool. So going back to the beginning of this video, are either of these two sentences correct? The answer is no. I have known him since 20 years. Well, 20 years is a quantity of time. We have a number, 20, and we have a period of time, years. So with this one, we would actually use the word for. I have known him for 20 years. I have worked here for June 2014. With this one, we're giving a name of a time, which is also when we first started working. It's the beginning of our action. It's giving us those details. So with this one, we'd actually use the word since. I have worked here since June 2014. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you enjoyed it, you even learned something, then please smash that like button, hit subscribe and the notification bell if you haven't already done so, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll be seeing you real soon. Bye!